All right, we are delving into exploring Canva, all right? But before we do that, we actually need to know what Canva is all about, okay? Now, Canva is a graphic designing platform or software that makes graphic designing easier, all right? Instead of you starting every design from the scratch, Canva has made it possible for you to start using millions of templates available. So whether you are a beginner graphic designer or you're a professional graphic designer, with Canva, you can start your graphic design journey and get amazing results from it. And this does not have to do with your experience, right? Whether you have 0 year experience, 1 year experience, 2, 4, 5 years experience, it is not actually a limitation, right? You can start learning with Canva and you can become a professional once you commit your time and attention to it. Now, what can you design with Canva? There are so many things you can design using Canva, all right? Whether it is billboards, posters, flyers, vacancy positions, just name it. Whatever that has to do with visual designs and all of that, it can be done with Canva. Oh, I didn't even let you know. You can also use Canva to do some basic codings. You can equally use Canva to do video editing and all of that. All right. So just think of Canva to be your go-to software for designs and all of that. It can actually help you to bring to life all your design imaginations. All you need to do is understand the concept, understand the utilization of the fonts, the principles involved, and you are good to go. Now, who are those that can actually use Canva to do designs? All right, people who can use Canva to design, or people who are qualified to use Canva for design, include but not limited to students, event planners, church administrators, school owners, graphic designers, and every other person who is interested in creating design from scratch or from midway. All right, they all can use Canva to bring to life all their design imaginations and all of that. So there is no limitation to who can use Canva, as long as you can apply the principles of design, principles of layout, you know how to apply contrast, fonts and font size. You are good to go with using Canva as your design software. Now, why is Canva looking popular? Okay, there are a few reasons behind the popularity of Canva, right? Number one is that it saves time, right? If you don't want to start from scratch, there are easy to use templates. All you need to do is just change a few things to suit you. Now, the second reason why Canva is popular is because it has millions of templates, right? There are millions of templates available for you. All you need to do is pick the one that suits you, the one that suits your design, and edit one or two things right there. Another reason why Canva is actually popular is that Canva can work on all devices, right? Be it your smartphone, your laptop, your desktop, your tablet. Canva can actually work with them. So you don't need to begin to look for a device that can be suitable with Canva. As long as you have your smart device, it can actually allow you to use Canva on it. Now, we want to look at the two versions of Canva, right, that beginners can actually get themselves aligned to. Now we have the free version and then we have the pro version. Okay, the free version is actually accessible to everybody. All right, number one is you can create unlimited designs. Number two is that you have access to unlimited templates. Number three is that you have access to many fonts. All right, you have access to many fonts. Number four is that you have access to stock photos. And number five is that you can download your designs in any format. All right, you can download your design. So all these are available for those who are opening Canva and want to dwell with the free version. All right, but take note that there are some features that are not available on the free version, right? And some of them are available on the pro version. The cost of the pro version is about 2,800 per month, right? That's actually the cost of the pro version. There are other paid versions that are beyond the pro version. Now, what are the features of the pro version? So you have more templates. You have more templates in the pro version. You have more fonts, right? You have more photos available. You can also have access to magic resize, and there are so many other opportunities that are available on the pro version that are not available on the free version. All right, but take note that you can still achieve a whole lot with the free version. So like we said when we're introducing the module, whether you're a beginner or a professional, you can use Canva. All right, you can use Canva. Now, as a beginner, you need to be attentive to details, you need to be proactive, you need to be committed. All right, and you need to engage in practical works for you to actually become better. All right, the more practical you do, the better you're going to become. The less practical you do, you know the completion of that statement. All right, so in our next module we're going to be starting with some basic designs. All right, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, and if you have questions around the modules and every other thing that is necessary, you can always use the comment section and we'll be right there to attend to you. Until then, get set for the next module where you're going to have a series of practicals. So this is actually my Canva interface. All right, so if you check here, you're going to see my home button and you're going to see the template button. All right, so my home button is already having my recent designs and all of that. Okay, now if you check, this is template, this is magic layers, education, presentation, and all of that. All right, you can also extend it. It's good, you can see everything if you need to see that. Now if you come to template, you're going to see millions of templates. All right, although I am using a pro account. All right, so these are templates, you can always design them to suit you. All right, yeah, so these are some of the things you need to know about Canva interface and all of that. So when we return to making our practical designs, we're going to be seeing a whole lot of things. All right, all you need to do is pay attention to the videos, ask questions when necessary, and go ahead to open your Canva account if you don't have already and begin to do your designs. Don't forget to share your lessons with us in the comment section. All right, whatever you've learned today, share it with us and share this link to others who you think would actually like this training. All right, so that it will always be recommended for people to watch for free. All right, until then, take care of yourself and I'm going to see you in our next module, which is module 3. Bye.